Hey y'all. Okay y'all, so I haven't talked on my channel in a long time and we're not about to try to catch up because I know y'all want to get right into the video because some of y'all might be new, some of y'all might be old. If you old, disregard every video I made before 2016. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking to you guys about frequently asked questions about my locks. A lot, too many times. So I'm about to go ahead and answer them. Frequently asked questions about locks. The first question, of course,
is that your real hair?
A lot of people have asked me, is this my real hair from the time it was short to the time it was long? And it's kind of rude, but it does matter because I do be wanting people to know that it's my hair. My hair has grown quite a bit. Even though they didn't watch the process and everything, they still think it's fake. So you know what? I just answer honestly every time. Yes. Depending on the person that asks, if you grew up with me and you still ask me, is that my real hair? We have nothing else to say to each other.
Do you wash it?
You wash it?
Yes, I can wash my hair. It's just like every other type of hair. So if you're thinking about getting locks and somebody told you that you didn't have to wash them, they lying. Wash your hair.
Can you take it down? That stuff stuck in your head.
I don't call my locks stuff. Let's just get that straight. Yes, you can take them down. But would I take mine down? I don't think so. I have been planning on cutting my hair really short for the past forever. I just can't get to it. And I don't think I'm going to get to it until some years down the line. I get a lot of compliments on my hair just as much as I get insults and stank faces. But it's not going to change nothing. Oh, and that brings me to my next question that I have already answered.
When you gonna take them down? How you gonna take them down?
Take your locks down with a comb, a needle, but you're gonna have to pick all the way from the tip, all the way to the top. I'm not doing it. How long have you had them? I've had my locks since May 2011. Since 7th grade, freshman in college now. Do the math. How many do you have?
How many do you have?
How many dreadlocks do you have? I had 155 locks before I started combining little ones and they started breaking off and stuff. So I got a couple combined ones and you know, I got a couple rough ones in here too, like this one. Yeah, that probably makes it to about 145 now. Maybe roughly, kind of, I don't really know.
Is that crochet stuff?
God, I love your crochet. Oh my God, your crochet is so pretty.
This is not no motherfucking crochet. Get it right. That is like my biggest pet peeve. Do not just assume that this is not my hair. Ask me and I will let you know. If it was fake, I would tell you. I got wigs. I wear wigs.
I like your faux locks. I like your fox locks. I like your fake locks. I like those fake locks. I like your fake locks.
Do not compliment me and assume at the same time. Because first of all, I'd be confused. I don't know whether to be mad at you or to say thank you because you think my locks are so perfect that they're fake. That's what I'm going to start taking it as. My locks are so perfect that they're fake. What made you want locks? Why you get that in your hair anyway? Well, I got locks because a lot of people in my family have locks, like my aunties, my dad, my brother. But most of my inspiration came from my aunties and other really pretty black girls with locks. I mean, you can't resist a black girl with locks. Like that just, you know, you just can't. I know this video says 10, but I really couldn't come up with the 10th one because I've been asked so many ignorant questions. I didn't want to upset myself on camera. So if y'all have any other questions that I did not get to in this video, please comment below and ask me, and feel free to ask any questions. So that's about it. Those are the most common questions I have been asked throughout my 7 years of being a locked girl. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, please share it to all of the girls in the world who are sick of people asking them the same questions. You don't have to answer anymore, girl. Just send them this video. People who haven't been subscribing to me lately, I really do appreciate it. And y'all are the people who finally convinced me to buy my own laptop for y'all. Now, please don't make me regret that I'm off this. Oh, I will be editing videos on regular when I can because I'm a college student now. It's not really, But make sure you guys come and rate and subscribe. Thank you for tolerating me throughout this video, and I hope it was helpful to someone. See you in my next video. Bye.